Hi, my name is Vasek. I'm the CEO of E2B, and today we want to show you something we've been working on for a while. The new Build System 2.0 is here. We give AI agents sandboxes. Those are safe environments where AI agents use tools the same way as humans do. With Build System 2.0, we've completely rebuilt how developers create custom sandboxes in E2B. The build system is now faster, simpler, and more flexible. We focused on 4 goals: a better developer and agentic experience, a higher speed, and a painless migration for our users.
Hi, my name is Jakub. I'm an engineer at E2B. With the old version of the build system, you had to use configuration files, Docker files, and CLI. With Build System 2.0, we just run your code. Moving everything to code unlocks a lot of features for free. Linters, type hints, dynamic builds in your app, and even the ability to expose the build system directly to your users as a feature. The new build system is now easily understandable by AI IDEs and controllable by AI agents like Cursor. The template still needs to be built, but without requiring any additional configuration or having to build the template explicitly. The build step is now just code execution. We significantly improved the build system speed. We introduced intelligent caching, parallel uploads, and clearer error feedback. Now it's on our servers, and we can optimize the performance directly. The new build system has a much faster template build than the previous version. This also makes the developer's feedback loop much shorter. For the cache template builds, we see up to 14 times faster builds depending on the sandbox template. For the builds that don't use any cache, we see up to 2 times faster builds. In addition, the new builds run on our own infrastructure, meaning faster internet, more stable performance, and no need to upload any other data except files needed for the build. We also added a lot of helper methods that make your life easier, like wait for fork, Git operations, easy file copying, and many more. We didn't stop there. We made sure the migration is painless for existing users, and the new system is backwards compatible with the old one. There are multiple ways to migrate. One is through a CLI command, another is through parsing the original E2B Docker file on the fly, or you can still build the source Docker image manually through from image. You can find the migration info in our documentation.
That's the new build system. I want to thank our wonderful customers that have been testing the new build system during their early access with us. Thanks to the close collaboration with them and their feedback, the new build system is available now to all users in the best possible shape. Get started today by checking out our documentation and updated examples on our GitHub. Thank you and happy hacking!